Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be another skincare video and I'm going to be talking about some masks from iWori. But before we get into that, you know what to do. Join the Coal Factory family, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, I'm going to keep this video very brief. I'm going to be talking about two masks that I've tried from iWori, and I'm going to start off by saying that I do like them. I like them a lot. I'm going to put the prices down in this description box as well, so you can check that out. And today I'm going to talk about the iWori Marula 100% organic African Marula Revitalizing Red Clay Facial Mask. And I'm also going to talk about the Rooibos Soothing Facial Mask as well. Let's start off with the Marula one. With the Marula one, I want to say that the red clay mask applies so nicely on the skin. It's so soft. I really like it. And what I like from the sachets, both of them, is that you can use this twice. Don't try and do one application per sachet. For me, I could use it twice, which was really nice. And this revitalizing red clay facial mask promises to deeply cleanse, purify, soften and smooth, and it's for normal to combination skin. Now I like this. I find that it smooths out my skin a lot. It has such a soft touch, which makes it a bit luxurious for me personally, which I really like. It is a red clay mask, so when you put it on your skin, it is going to be red, but it's nice and soft. When it comes to the instructions, it says, smooth a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding eye and lip area. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So you can use this sachet, twice a week and you're done. You can put it on while you're showering, while you're having a bath. You just leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off. Your skin feels really nice and soft. And then something else, it says the red clay facial mask is based on the Umemenzi tradition practiced by Xhosa women who use a clay facial mask for protection against the external environment and for cosmetic purposes. This revitalizing clay facial mask is specifically formulated with a powerful blend of natural red colon clay and 100% African organic marula oil for a facial detox ritual to help purify, soothe and soften the skin while deeply cleansing to remove impurities. So I really like this. This is actually my favorite one, especially when it comes to how smooth it is on my skin, and it does leave my skin really nice and smooth. The last one I'm going to talk about is from the Rooibos line. This is the Soothing Facial Mask. It gently exfoliates and removes impurities to leave skin with a softer, smooth and clearer complexion, and this is for dry, sensitive skin. Now when I bought this one, I thought it was a sheet mask. How wrong was I? This is also like a bit of a paste that you put on, and this one is very different to the Marula one because this one has like some granules in here. But I'm quickly just going to talk about the application. It says gently massage mask into clean skin or cleanse skin in a circular motion, and that's what's different. Is when you apply it, you must put it on your skin. It's not very rough, but it helps with exfoliating. It says avoiding the delicate eye and lip area. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Pat gently, dry with a towel and use 1 to twice a week, which is also very nice. And as I said, it helps with exfoliating as well. It gently exfoliates and removes impurities to leave skin with a softer, smoother and clearer complexion, and it's for dry, sensitive skin, as I mentioned earlier again. Now this one I like to lightly exfoliate, and I'd use this, maybe for me personally, I would use this once a week or maybe even once every 3 weeks. Exfoliating, I know it's very good, but the exfoliating process is something I'm really thinking about and doing my research in terms of using harsh exfoliants on the face. But I have tried this and it's nice, and it's very gentle on the skin to exfoliate. This is that this soothing and exfoliating facial mask is specifically formulated with a powerful blend of natural red colon clay and organic Rooibos extract with a gentle facial detox ritual to help purify and soften skin while deeply cleansing to remove dead skin cells and traces of pollution. Mineral-rich red colon clay helps to absorb excess oil, toxins and dirt, while the Rooibos tea leaves and apricot kernels help to gently exfoliate the skin. Skin is left feeling smooth with a smoother and clearer complexion, and as I said, it is for dry, sensitive skin, so this is really nice as well. So I'm going to wrap this up, guys. The Marula one, you know, this is just a really nice face mask, leaves your skin, it does brighten it a little bit, but nice and smooth. The Rooibos one is, you know, a very nice light exfoliator. Both really nice. I like them as well, and I can use both of them twice. So, you know, if it says use once or twice a week, this will, you know, do for once or twice a week. But I do like them. I haven't been using them religiously, so I've been using them for a few months, but as I can say, when I do use them, I do see results immediately. I like the way, you know, the Rooibos one does exfoliate. I do see the dead skin cells removed. The Marula one, my skin is nice and smooth and a little bit brighter. So as I said, I do like both of them. That's it, guys, my brief thoughts on the iWori mask. Thanks for joining me. Drop your comments down below, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.